Hello everyone. In this session of CCNA series, I'll be discussing about SOHO network. SOHO is the abbreviation for Small Office Home Office Network. These days, many budding entrepreneurs and small business owners prefer to work from home or to maintain only a small office. Budding entrepreneurs and small businesses owners need small network and access to the internet for their daily work. SOHO network is a solution for these type of network requirement. SOHO refers to designs and implementation that have such a small volume of requirement, such as few switch ports, few access points, a router, and a WAN link. The term SOHO refers to the two most common cases: a user who works from home or a small office with a small number of workers and devices. It is meant for use in small businesses. SOHO networks are small local area networks or LANs with less than 10 devices. A SOHO network can be a small wired Ethernet LAN or made of both wired and wireless nodes. In a typical small Ethernet only SOHO LAN, a device called an Ethernet LAN switch, which provides many physical ports into which cables can be connected from PCs, printers, and a network device such as router. The router connects the LAN to the WAN, in this case to the internet. A typical SOHO LAN today also supports wireless LAN connections. You can build a single SOHO LAN that includes both Ethernet LAN technology as well as wireless LAN technology. It includes another networking device, a wireless LAN access point. The AP acts somewhat like an Ethernet switch in that all the wireless LAN nodes communicate with the wireless AP. If the network uses an AP that is separate physical device, the access point then needs a single Ethernet link to connect to the access point to the Ethernet LAN as shown in the figure. Note that the figure shows the router, the Ethernet switch, the wireless LAN access point as three separate devices so that you can better understand the different roles. SOHO network might also include firewalls to prevent from attacks. However, most SOHO networks today would use a single device, often labeled as a wireless router, that does all these functions. That's it about SOHO network. In my next session, I'll discuss about on-premise and cloud network. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, subscribe. Thank you, and share your comments.